Hello there. So which week's plan should you choose? Okay, so let's go to their website. So let's just type in manage.wix.com/store/plans, and you are going to hit enter, and it will automatically bring you to this page where you can choose the plan that you think is suitable for your business. So if you are an entrepreneur or a freelancer just like me, so this is the suggested plan for us. Okay, unlimited. As you can see, guys, it is 50% off. Okay, so let's take a look at its package inclusions. So you can see right there, they put a check. It means that the features are available within this package. Okay, the storage space is 10 gigabytes, video hours is 1 hour. Okay, but if you think that this package is not suitable enough or sufficient enough for your business, so you can upgrade your plan to VIP. Okay, so you can also see its package inclusions right there. And if you have a bigger business, so you can click the button next to it where you can see different packages here. So they have business class basic, uh, business unlimited, and business VIP. So the package inclusions are also indicated there. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.